Hey everybody, Tentacle Tech here. I'm about to do an unboxing video for Orgain, which is the protein powder that we use every morning in our morning smoothies. And we have I'm an ambassador for Orgain. So if you look down in the description, you'll see that there is a link where you can use code TENTACLES and you can get 30% off your entire purchase, and it helps to support my content. And the coolest thing about it is that I was already using this product before I became an ambassador, and I just happened to stumble upon the ambassador program and sign up. I just got out of the shower, so I'm nice and fresh and ready. So I thought I would do the unboxing video. So here we go. You ready? I've been waiting like all week to do this. Here we go. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay, let's read the inside. It says, we believe when it comes to protein, being picky is power. It's the power to understand that all nutrition is not created equal. It's the power to reject average and expect amazing. It's the power to get picky about your taste, texture, and the quality of the ingredients. You fuel your life. A better protein is out there. We know it is, because you're looking at it. And we now invite you to share your high standards and ours with the world. Orgain. All right. So first, as Zombie predicted, we get a nice little shaker to promote our ambassadorship. Beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Classy. It says BPA free. Blender bottle, brand product, genuine blender bottle. And it has a little thing to help shake up your protein powder and everything. And then we have this. Ooh, okay, cool. So it's all of our little samples. So I wanna do some like taste tests. So first we have an Orgain protein snack bar. It's chocolate chip cookie dough. Can I eat this? I think that they asked me if I had any dietary restrictions, so I should be able to eat this. Let's see. Contains tree nuts, but it doesn't say anything about, let me see, milk or anything. Let me see. Everything has organic before it. Nope, I don't see any animal products on here, so let's open it up. Let's open it up and give it a try. So it definitely has that like healthy bar look, you know? This is always what healthy bars look like. They're always sort of I don't know, like sticky and tacky like this. It's not bad. It's a little grainy. There's not like a burst of flavor in your mouth, but the chocolate chips help a lot. The chocolate chips help to offset that a lot. It's a lot better than a lot of the healthy bars I've had. Like, one of my coworkers used to always give me these what's it called? I can't remember the name of the brand, but they were yellow bars and they had like 3 ingredients or something. And I like, she always gave them to me and I really didn't like them. But it's better than those. I like it enough to eat the entire thing. It's a great snack that I can grab really quick. And then I get to try out their creamy chocolate flavor shake, which I was actually, I went into my therapy session on Wednesday. She was drinking a protein shake right before the session. And I was like, you should check out Orgain because they have great ingredients and they have shakes and everything. You can get them. It's great. So I'll have to try this out and let her know. And I think that this is vegan as well. Yeah, vegetable blend. That's awesome. Okay, and then I also got the nutrition. Now I think think that this might be the one that is like they're doing like a special on this month. I'm not sure, but anyway, it's also chocolate flavor. They really promote the chocolate flavors. It's also chocolate flavor, and it is gluten-free, 16 grams of protein, and 25 vitamins and minerals. And then what else do we have? We have creamy chocolate fudge protein powder. What? Oh, okay, so this is just their protein powder, but it's just like not in their normal container. Normally they come in like these big containers. This is like the sample container. That makes sense. And then we have the vanilla bean, which is what I use in my morning smoothies. And if you want to check that out, you can check out the video. It'll pop up right there. You can check out the video, and you can see how I make my morning smoothie every morning. I use it every single morning. It's really good. It's really good. Welcome to the Orgain family. I'm part of the family. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody have a great night. Bye.